Write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. Very simple, straightforward question. But yes, I hope you guys see through. Don't skip. See through all the questions. Yes, it's important so that you guys learn the basics properly. Okay, now what is that? We are looking at coefficient of x square. Where is x square over here? Clearly this term. This is x to the power of 1 and this is x to the power of 0. The coefficient of x square is what? There is no number over here. What is the numerical coefficient? The numerical coefficient over here is 1. Okay guys, if there is nothing written over there, the coefficient is 1. Now next question would be, what is the coefficient of x square over here? The given polynomial is 3x minus 1. There is no x square term. How can we write this? Well, we can write this as 0 plus 3x minus 1. Can I do this? I can add 0 to anything, is it not? So now can I write 0 as 0 into x square? If I multiply anything with 0, it's 0 itself. 0 plus anything is the same expression. So can I write in this manner? So now can you guys tell what is the coefficient of x square? Yes, it is 0. Okay, now the third one, x minus 1 into 3x minus 4. There is no x square term. Is the coefficient 0 over here? No, we need to simplify. Okay, so let's write the question. The next step is simplify is what? Use distributive property and multiply with all of this term. This is x into 3x minus 4 and then minus 1 has to multiply this again. Minus 1 into 3x minus 4. So let's use distributive property. So 3x into x is 3x square. Minus 4 into x is minus 4x. Minus 1 into this is minus 3x. Minus into minus is plus 4. So here I need not simplify x term, right? Because 3x square is the only term and we need the coefficient of x square. So I'll just write coefficient of x square is equal to 3. Okay, so be smart. Understand what is that we have to figure out and just do till there. So clearly I don't need to simplify this further. So, and you have the answer. You guys have a tendency of writing things unnecessarily and you start crying about not being able to handle time. And if you don't learn to handle time when you're doing on a rough paper, you won't be able to do that in your exam. That is the hard truth. Now, the last question. Here too, we can't just write what is the coefficient of x square because we need to simplify this. Use distributive property and multiply with all of this. So 2x times of 2x square minus 3x plus 1 and then multiply minus 5 with same expression. And now we have 2x into 2x square is 4x to the power of 3. Again, we are just going back to using this expression actually, not even only one to be frank. Okay, we are just using this particular formula. See, the same thing is used everywhere. Learn the basic in maths, things will become very simple. Now, plus 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. X into x is x to the power of 2. Why? Because by default the powers are 1, 1 and 1 over here. Okay, so such knowledge is very important. And plus 2x plus 1 is plus 2x itself. Next, minus 5 into all of this. So minus into plus is minus, 5 into 2 is 10, x square. This is negative into negative is positive, 15x to the power of 1, negative into positive is negative 5. So we have this and this, right? They are the like terms and the other things we don't care actually. So minus 16x square plus 17x to the power of 1. I'm just writing it because, well, it's not that complicated. I simplified it. And last we have the solution wherein I'm writing coefficient of x square is what? 16. Is that correct? Wrong. It is what? Minus 16. There's a difference between 16 and minus 16. They are not the same. This mistake keeps happening with most of you guys. You guys forget that negative numbers are not the same as positive numbers. Right? So please learn the funda properly before jumping on to solving anything. So okay, 4 questions. Yeah, that's your answer. Quite simple. You can have a look. Just keep in mind that post simplification, you'll be able to tell the answer of the coefficients.